Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Em say new voters register yi asem no egusua eko. Now I have seen some comments from people like Yesusu say womo NDC for. Na yeni say ekuo bi ye friend no inter-party resistance against the new voters register. Womo ye demonstration against the new voters register no. Ekuo political parties bebree, minor political parties no bebree account. But the reality on the ground is say metumi actually say 80% and 90% of ekuo no NDC4. Na dia wamo ye no ni nyina say wamo eko etia new voters register EC ababonten say around April new voters register no. We've monitored the commentary of NDC on this particular new voters register, and I have an article here from happyghana.com, not just a happy FM4. Now, the woman can say one member of the inter-party resistance against new voters register. No, asema waka and say easy na again say voters register and still wobeye new one and the say about no embasso sa December 2020 no, because the EC is not ready. Na and no say about no ye de be enim akọ 2021 Munti Assembly ye and no any nsemo a member of the inter-party resistance against the new voters register no walk. Na etie for way and make say so what is the stance? NDC me mamoti say first na womo de and say womo mpene senior meeting country no NDC communicator bia ye fe no atubiga wono de wo say EC no anye we ya just said there will be chaos in the country. Just said that was the commentary from that NDC communicator no. Say EC and Pene say voters register no everywhere and there will be chaos in the country. Into a lot of people took say that was the stand of NDC. Say voters register no EC still what cause say wo new one there. Not just say NDC for ayomadwen so wo mo be basa. We enema Sami Jenfi ba bonten ena Sami Jenfi be ka say dabi NDC for the wo mo yankrofo bi a wo mo edi imraso inti say EC wo mo de o ma kan mo adwen say still ECC voters register no wo be ye pan there. They have nothing to do than to register their people. And no nsema Sami Jenfi a wo no ehwe NDC communication director one also edibetu ja inti wutie from a communicator and from a communication director we better say we be fa communication director no one no na asem say NDC for your margin say voters register no ECC wo be ye kra na ye be ne den e wo say ye ko vote e wo say ye ko register ne ma ye microphone so register otherwise ye to aba na wo mudin enye den embem. And this is coming from the inter-party resistance against new voters register. Our more air say ECC will be called so pandy and not just say about 2021 and a so. And I have another commentary from Baba Jamal, our former Deputy Minister of Employment and Labor Relations. Our non so NDC Nima Papa. Now there were no also air and they say they will not stop their people from registering for new voters register. One also ekan e happy FMA. Now just say what is the NDC doing? What is their decision? Should we take say one more can say voters register no is in about on embassy 2020 and now say one more to baby mo ye den kra na still voters register no ye be kwa akoto voters register be kwa register. Obviously, you would take the woman opinion for no aircan. And personally, I feel say this was the stance from a year, and this was the stance and it was a NDC for a take for a very, very long time now. Now, yes, maybe they will hate to say it, but demonstration baby or more waste one more time ko Kumasi ban crying rage be demonstration here sisi na ya koye se ni na cost 90 because easy no wama wati as say wono ukosoro eba form a voters register wo be ye wama contract na wie ukosoro ba form wo be ye intina ka ehona nanka NDC fo mo aka cha mo nkrofo say okay voters register na ye be den ye be kwa register new one no ye be kwa register and na me ne wo ka say NDC mpanyifo ahia say wo mo ka say oh new voters register no enehwe ye be ma ye nkrofo akoye no ebia wo bia wo te say NDC fo say wo mo be ye basabasa through some of their communicators asema wo mo de to dwa earlier on no ebia won te asem we a mo ka say mo be ma mo nkrofo akọ register no iti ebia saa nipa kro no wono de na adwen mu no saa new voters register yi ye nkonkoye because of NDC. Ebia the person he or she has had earlier communication bia wono ankasa edicode communication because they na NDC for ye no e wo mu say wo mo mbie wo mo anu ankasa oh new voters register no ye nye but demonstration na no mo ye no wo mo say ye mpene na say wo bi atinechi na wo hu say mo ye demonstration na mo kan say ye mpene a na ade ni do a nipa ko ne den na obeye obi hu ne say da bi ade we ne ye say ye mpene nti me nko enye den enko register so wan ko enko register NDC for mo na mo elusu vote mo na mo elusu vote intermediate senior NDC for ye demonstration ka say ye mpene wo mo ye similar demonstration na wo mo ma wo mo nkrofo nti asese ya na ye demonstration say ye mpene isi aye na adwen say still wo be koso we have no choice inti ye nkrofo e yesremo ya na ye ka say ye mpene ende ye say ye be pene inti mo ma ye nko ni ye nko register because ye nko register na to say NDC mo sanso e be di ntwo na to say mo sanso e be di ntwo. You see how this whole thing has happened. Obi beka say inti den na wo kan ti na NDC for wo mani nje ade ne hono na pese omode omonsa ehye omode mrifemu anada bi. You can still protest ade a isi ne de base woni nje ho but the position you took initially mo communicate say mo mpene no eno na me hu ne say ebe ha NDC for. And these are some of the small things NDC for anhwe ya sa election 2020 election si ebe ha omo no. Me ye video now sometime be na me share mo say me from the analysis I am doing no MPP will win the 2020 elections. Etie for be he NDC for be frame me na aden na wo kasa na ba ko frame ebi mo eba so wo mu wedi atam mo ba so wo mu bedi atam ne de menfi omo ba wo mu ase bi wo mu hu nyansa efre me ebisa me se adenti na me ka asa na wo mu pese wo mu hu de enti a me ka asa no me ka reasons no etre wo mu no na wo mu hu se asema wo ka no ne kre wo mu enyama nkitinkiti bi ti sei e ka hu bi enti na me ka se NDC for wo mu anhwe ya 2020 wo mu belusu no. After all, I make us say NDC for Belusu 2020 based on the analysis I am doing now. I am not God. And then just say NDC Belusu. Inti more fast, let me say, oh, my kind more baby di matem no. Some who say will be a one view, any new opinion. Mia and I'm a betting now say ebo Akufo-Addo echi. Say corruption or no Akufo-Addo can say corruption why ya there no one ya there be last will be frame make them say and you one last so ye video can say Akufo-Addo corruption no one ya hwe no and I was answer can say will be winning and I'm church mu tre no say enye be bia NDC for mo ye no mo hwe ya ebe mo lose vote and one of the things no any say will be hu say will be hu say why demonstration akese kan say new voters register one penny. Na afei the mentality behind it because mo who say mo ye bia easy still was say one penny. Why ye de wo be ye bia easy ne say wono de obeya e na obeye. Na no den as a party e na wo say wo ye. Because we who say easy ne de emra ema ne kwan say decision bia wo be take no e wo say wo take. Enye wo pressure from NDC ne be ma easy no asesa. Sa na ye na ka isi bia ba so opposition party be ye demonstrations ama isi native opposition party na sem. Inti se wo wa magana fo atiase say new voters register no won pene ama na to NDC fo bi mu trimu say mo pene a na ende most someone no aka say oh mo de anya hwe mo be kwa vote ade na e wo say mo ye. You need to communicate it well to all those people who heard in the first time and now mo ka say mo pene no. Wanya ne sa NDC ni bi won ko register say NDC ni bi ankwa ko register ye do say yakoto aba ni din appear. And hey Ghana there was say you can cre hey there was one thing bi John Mahama ekan Emma make I say hey asema John Mahama eken ebesi na esiwi a Ghana for ye be hunu say sa easy ade we ya wo ye me de ne say easy si wo ye new voters register na nka me susu say enye embra ye a ye beto aba na wo be ye new voters register what na say adan na last year 1 year me de no but eye easy e no se obeye Mahama ka asem bi na Ghana for ye twe Mahama no esi bone ema ye be di na tem but ade Mahama kan ne nyansa wom de Mahama kan ni was say new voters register easy wo ye ube hu ne say ebi mo because NDC for Mahama kan ne sa but me susu say me de inference de Mahama kan ne say ube hu ne say ebi mo ba ko say wo mo kwa akoto aba na wo mo bedu ho no new voters register wo mo ankwa register nti ube hu ne say wo mu din any system nim na fe akoya akasakasa wo mo beka say hey wo mo wi aye wo mo amaya nto aba and it will cause chaos. It has the potential to cause chaos. Mahama beka asasem no yenhu nyansasem a ewo asem ni mu chaos side na Mahama kan na Ghana fo wo bia sorry say wo bo Mahama echi nanso ye ka ne krepa na nka asasem a Mahama kan ye no na nka eye ne kre a eye nyansasem. And that thing will happen in this country. O dey hear because NDC fo people trimu no wo mo hu ne say new voters register no won kon register inti wo kwa no wakoto aba na ne din an show because new voters register wan kwa register e dey na obeye ni bubefu ama basabasa esi e wo bebi a wo kwa akoto aba no wo de be hye MPP say MPP fo yimi din efrim. You see, so these are the small things I mean susu say e wo say NDC fo so mo pese wo mu wini pa wo mo fa wo mo ahonden enhyem na wo mo communicate say eye ya na ye ba bonten ye beka say ye register afei die ye hu ne say isi no kia ne kin wo se wo be ye yesre mo edu amon konko register because MPP for there wo mo sha ase NDC for ni isi sha ase na MPP for sha ase wo mo bo mo nkrofo amane say hey ye die edu amon konko register o yesre mo nti MPP ni die woni die wonim say new voters register no wo kwa register. So you can't tell me say Avia MPP need be lose vote due to that. Eye mo NDC for na mo carry mo ho somewhere. E to de bi ne ye analysis a won. E wo se mo tena se na mo dwe ho ne say say. It is a me ka say NDC wo mo anhwe ya 2020 wo be lose. These are some of the things. As the days are going back, as new as ye ba beto aba no, I'll be giving you some of the reasons I'm Susu said. Woman share ya. Tete for Montreal mo adwen e comment box ni mo me da say.